Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make protein powder at home easy method. Start by gathering your base ingredients like oats, nuts, seeds, and dried beans, and set your blender or grinder nearby. Measure portions to control protein and calories, then toast or dry roast ingredients where needed to improve flavor and shelf life. Finally, grind to a fine powder, mix in optional flavors, and store in airtight containers for daily use. For ingredients, pick whole food sources that suit your dietary goals and allergies. Toasting oats or nuts for 5 to 10 minutes at low heat enhances flavor and reduces moisture, while dried chickpeas or lentils add plant protein. Weigh each ingredient to create predictable protein per serving, then cool completely before grinding to avoid clumping. Blend in small batches to test texture and adjust ratios until you like the taste and mouthfeel. Use a high-speed blender or dedicated coffee grinder and pulse to prevent heat buildup that can affect nutrients and taste. After the first grind, sift the powder using a fine mesh strainer, then reprocess any coarse bits until smooth. Mix in natural flavors like cocoa or cinnamon sparingly, and portion into airtight jars or vacuum bags to keep moisture out. Label with contents and date, and rotate stock for best freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.